Hey guys, Zippo Lover, and this is, I guess, part 3 to my Zippo collection. I got some more Zippos. So, you've seen most of these, not all of them, but I'm gonna go through them today. Okay, so, here, I have another slim Zippo. It's pure chrome, high polished, and it's brand new. It still has the sticker on the back, and that one's brand new. This one I already showed it to you. It's my first Zippo. And yeah, here's my brass Zippo. It's engraved solid brass. Here's another Zippo you've already seen. It's just a Zippo with the Running Man hatchet thing on it. The Venetian design one. It's slim chrome too. And here's a new one I got yesterday. Excuse me. It's a brushed chrome Zippo. It's brand new. I got it yesterday. It's an L09. It's brand new, brand new. I just got it yesterday. Haven't stricken it once. The flint, still brand new. This is not a Zippo. It's broken, but it's not a Zippo. It's made in China, Kalan, and yeah, that's not a Zippo. Here's my favorite one, my brass Zippo. And my brother gave it to me. Brother-in-law. It works. The only one that works out of them. Here I have a Zippo blue that my mom found and gave it to me because she knows I collect them. And it doesn't work. It doesn't have a flint or fuel in it. But my first butane Zippo. Here's a Zippo with Raiders on it. I'm gonna get bad comments for that. It just has a flint, no fluid. And then here's my first Zippo. It was a slim, and it goes to this case. And that's it. This is my friend's Zippo. It's a brushed comb also, as mine. My friend, he sent it to me to get fixed because he knew I'd fix it for free. Then here's another one. It's just a simple chrome Zippo. This one also is not mine. And here I have my accessories to them. I have some brass to polish them. My Zippo Z Plus butane ladder. This thing's pretty cool. You put it in the insert of one of your Zippos, and you have a butane in your Zippo. There's my Rolling Stones one. You've seen it before, I'm pretty sure. Here I keep some extra flints. It's not genuine Zippo flints, just normal flints from like cheap lighters and stuff. Here are the genuine flints that I keep. The cards with the Zippo guarantee, warning, care for your brass lighter. Wick, spare wick. Another case lid to the new ones. And here's the this bugger. Just a Zippo catalog with a bunch of Zippos that I want in it. And that's pretty much it. My Zippo collection. Hope you liked it. Leave comments, down there. Somewhere down there. And thanks for watching.